ममता यादव इज माई गेस्ट फ्रॉम मेरठ टुनाइट। ममता यादव जी, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
जी, हमें आपकी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है।
अच्छा ममता यादव जी, वो जो साइन करा रहे हैं आपको पुलिस, वो बाद में कर लें, जरा बातचीत हो जाए हमारी पहले। थैंक यू। जस्ट टेल द पुलिस।
जी जी,
the police seems to be just surrounded her. Obviously they are trying to make it look like they are all over there to help her. Now ममता यादव, नमस्कार। पहली बात तो मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि कल जब ये सारा हादसा हुआ, उसके बाद कल बातचीत हो रही थी हमारे प्रोग्राम पे, तो कई नेता ये कह रहे थे कि ममता यादव ने ये एफआईआर फाइल क्यों नहीं की, पुलिस के पास खुद क्यों नहीं गई थी? जरा आप बताएं।
हमने इसलिए जी सर, हमने इसलिए वो दर्ज नहीं कराई थी अभी तक, क्योंकि हमें डर लग रहा था कि वहाँ पे जनता भी थी और हमें किसी ने वहाँ सपोर्ट नहीं किया था। इसलिए हमें लग रहा था कि वहाँ पे जनता होते हुए और इतना सब कुछ होते हुए वहाँ पे सपोर्ट नहीं किया। कोर्ट भी पास में ही था, सब कुछ पास में था, तो वहाँ नहीं हुआ, इसलिए हमें ये लग रहा था। लेकिन मेरी सिस्टर जो हैं, उन्होंने मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट किया। वो बोली कि नहीं, तुझे मिलना चाहिए और ऐसे करना चाहिए। तो इसलिए फिर हमें लगा कि हाँ, हमें इसमें आगे कार्रवाई करानी चाहिए और हमें इसमें जिन्होंने जो किया है उनको भी सज़ा दिलानी चाहिए।
तो जब ये सारा हादसा हो रहा था तो पुलिस वाले तो पास में ही थे, उनको पता था कि ये हो रहा है, उन्होंने देखा होगा।
सर
उन्होंने क्या किया उस वक्त?
सर हमें नहीं पता, वहाँ भीड़ इतनी थी जी, हमें नहीं पता वहाँ पे कितने खड़े थे कितने नहीं खड़े थे। लेकिन हाँ, ये था कि वहाँ पे मैंने बोला कि देखो, इनको इतने पीट रहे हैं, सारे मिलके पीट रहे हैं। और जिसने भी देखा होगा न्यूज़पेपर में या इस पे चैनल पे, तो वो अकेले पीट रहे हैं और उनको चारों तरफ से वो मार रहे हैं। तो उन्होंने, किसी ने वहाँ पे कोई सपोर्ट नहीं किया था सर।
तो आपने ये भी कहा कि आपकी कोई फेथ बाकी नहीं थी वहाँ पे पुलिस पर, होमगार्ड वाले भी वहाँ पे खड़े थे, उन्होंने भी कुछ हेल्प नहीं किया आपको? इतने सारे लोग वहाँ पे थे,
जोर से बोलेंगे आप, कम सुनाई आ रही है हमें।
तो ममता जी, आपको आवाज आ रही है? तो मैं ये पूछ रहा था, इतने सारे कई लोग वहाँ पे थे, कितने 100 लोग थे, देख रहे थे वहाँ पे, कोई फोटो ले रहे थे, कोई एक आदमी भी नहीं आया आपको हेल्प करने उस वक्त? पुलिस भी नहीं आई, आप अकेले थे सिर्फ?
नहीं सर नहीं, हमें वहाँ पे कोई हेल्प करने के लिए एक बंदा तक नहीं आया वहाँ पे एक हेल्प करने के लिए। तो इसलिए
तो आप
देखते रहे थे
जब वहाँ पे वो ये सब गुंडे जब रास्ते में आके आपके साथ वहाँ पे लड़ने लगे, आप जो फोटोग्राफ्स निकले हैं, जो फोटोग्राफ्स है हमारे पास ममता जी, उसमें देखा जा रहा है कि आप उन गुंडों के साथ अकेली लड़ रही हैं। तो आप में वो हौसला और हिम्मत कहाँ से आई कि आप रास्ते में अकेले उनके साथ जिस तरह से लड़ रहे थे? आप में ये हिम्मत कहाँ से आई?
सर हमें लगा, अगर हम इनको जब हमें उन्होंने किसी, वो जनता जो खड़ी थी वहाँ पर, उन्होंने हमें सपोर्ट नहीं किया, तो हम सोच रहे थे, वो इतनी बुरी तरह मार रहे थे कि उस समय ये लग रहा था कि मुझे खुद अपने आप ये उनको बचाना होगा, क्योंकि जो हुआ देखा जाएगा। लेकिन कुछ तो मुझे करने चाहिए, जैसे जो मेरे से हो सकता है वो मैं करूँ। तो इसलिए सर मेरे को नहीं पता, फिर मेरे में हिम्मत एकदम से आई, तो फिर मैंने खुद ही, मैं जो है ना, अपने आप ही बीच में आ गई। फिर मैंने किसी को नहीं बोला वहाँ पे।
क्या आपको पता है ममता जी कि सारे देश भर से कल से, जब से ये फोटोग्राफ जब हमने चैनल पे दिखाई है, देश भर से लोग फ़ोन कर रहे हैं और कह रहे हैं उनको कितना हौसला मिलता है कि आप जैसी अकेली औरत वहाँ पे लड़ रही थी। तो कई ऐसे लोग हैं जो आपको बधाई देना चाहते हैं। आपने जिस तरह से वहाँ पे अकेले होते हुए इतने गुंडों के साथ अकेले आप लड़ रहे थे, तो देश भर से कल से फ़ोन आ रहे हैं हमारे ऑफिस में ममता जी, सब यही कह रहे हैं कि इतनी हिम्मत, तो वहाँ पे पुलिस वाले भी थे, उन्होंने भी आपको हेल्प नहीं किया। मगर उन सारे लोगों को आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी जो सब लोग हमें फ़ोन कर रहे हैं कल से?
सर हम किसी को वो नहीं कहना चाहते हैं, सबका मन अपना है, वो हमें हेल्प नहीं कर रहा, हमें इस बात का वो नहीं है, बुरा नहीं लगा, बस दुख हुआ कि मैं किसी की शायद बहन भी लगती होंगी, किसी की हर सब किसी के भी साथ हो सकता है, जो वहाँ पे खड़े थे उनकी बेटी हो सकती है, उनकी बहन हो सकती है, लेकिन वो उन्होंने जो किया, जनता ने जो नहीं मुझे सपोर्ट किया, मैं इस चीज़ से नाराज़ नहीं हूँ बिल्कुल भी। क्या नाराज़ हो सकती है, वो उनका अपना मन है ना जी, मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ इसमें बस।
ये तो ममता यादव जी आपका बड़प्पन है जो आप इस तरह से बात कर रही है। हमें तो गुस्सा आता है जब हम देखते हैं कि कितने लोग वहाँ पे तमाशा देख रहे थे रास्ते में, मगर कोई आके आपको हेल्प नहीं की। होम गार्ड्स थे वहाँ पे। मैंने एसएसपी से बात की और एसएसपी को मैंने पूछा, ओम प्रकाश जी को, कि आप क्या कर रहे थे। उन्होंने बोला होम गार्ड्स थे, मगर मीडिया में खबर आने के बाद हमने कार्रवाई की। और मुझे तो बहुत बुरा ये लगा ममता जी कि मीडिया में खबर आने के बाद ही लोग कुछ कार्रवाई करते हैं, मीडिया में आने के पहले उनको करना चाहिए था।
जी
अब ऐसा है कि बहुत सारे लोग इस वक्त फोन कर रहे हैं ममता जी, सारे देश भर से आपसे कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं। देश भर से फोन आ रहे हैं हमारे स्टूडियो में कि हम ममता यादव से कुछ कहना चाहते हैं। क्या 2-3 लोगों से आप बात करेंगी अगर वो कुछ कहना चाहें इस वक्त आपको? जी तो ममता यादव जी, पहला फोन आ रहा है हमारे यहाँ पे। ब्रिगेडियर हुडा हैं, वो गुड़गांव से फोन कर रहे हैं, कुछ कहना चाहते हैं आपसे। यस ब्रिगेडियर हुडा, व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
So I will like to first compliment her for the courage that she has shown in this public place, and also I will like to also tell this public who are watching that I think they should all be given a packet of bangles each. They must understand that tomorrow their sisters can be in this place, and she is right when she says that she was afraid of lodging the FIR. And if the FIR which have been lodged earlier, what has happened to those FIRs? And I must compliment you for taking up this case. You have probably seen through this that these people, by showing 1 lakh rupees, they are just demeaning the courage that she has shown.
Absolutely. ब्रिगेडियर हुडा वहाँ से आपको गुड़गांव से कह रहे हैं, ब्रिगेडियर हुडा जी ये कह रहे हैं कि जो लोग वहाँ पे ये सब तमाशे की तरह इसको देख रहे थे और आपको हेल्प नहीं कर रहे थे, वो कहते हैं कि सारे लोगों को, पुलिस वालों को भी चूड़ियाँ पहन लेनी चाहिए। वो उनका इन इंग्लिश, दैट्स दिस ट्रांसलेशन इनटू हिंदी। वी हैव अ सेकंड कॉलर कमिंग इन फ्रॉम चेन्नई, एंड सूर्या इज कॉलिंग इन फ्रॉम चेन्नई। सूर्या,
hello.
Surya, yes, Surya. Hello. What would you like to say? If you say it in English, I'll translate it if required for Mamta.
Okay,
go ahead.
Good evening, Arnav.
Good evening.
It's not that good an evening. I'm watching a very, very sad news here.
Yes.
I'm watching a very sad evening here.
Go ahead. Just reduce the volume of your TV set. Otherwise, you'll be able to hear the echo.
That's that.
Yeah.
Now, my question is, the people around, are they all small babies or what?
Well, clearly they were. They were not. They didn't care, Surya.
Absolutely.
They didn't care.
Every school child will come in to defend for all these.
They didn't care. They did not care. Exactly.
Absolutely.
Exactly. That's the point. Surya, I'll just put it across. Surya फोन कर रहे हैं चेन्नई से ममता जी। मैं उसको ट्रांसलेट करता हूँ। वो उनको भी बहुत गुस्सा है कि इतने लोग वहां से जा रहे थे, किसी ने आपको हेल्प नहीं किया। देश भर में लोगों को गुस्सा है क्योंकि ममता जी ऐसे सिचुएशंस में कई सारे और लोग, कई सारी और औरतों को भी इस तरह की सिचुएशन फेस की हो गई लोगों ने, जहां पे ये सब रास्ते में सरेआम हो रहा है मगर कोई हेल्प नहीं करता है हमारे देश में।
जी सर, होता है जी।
तो मुझे तो लगता है कि ममता जी आपने जो किया है, आपने बहुत लोगों को बल दिया है, अंदर से शक्ति दी है आपने अंदर से कई लोगों को।
मैं ये कहती हूँ कोई साथ दे ना दे, लेकिन अपने अंदर इतना कॉन्फिडेंस हो कि हम कुछ कर दिखाए या हम कुछ कर सके। ये नहीं कि वो हमारी रिलेशन में है या हमारे भाई बहन है या कोई है, हमें दूसरों के लिए भी इस तरह करना चाहिए।
बिल्कुल। एक और आखिरी फोन कॉल लेंगे हम मैं आपको क्या क्या कहूं ममता जी, सारे देश के हर कोने से आज फोन आ रहे हैं आपके लिए, हर देश के हर कोने से लोग फोन कर रहे हैं, आपको कुछ कहना चाहते हैं। अब बस एक और फोन लूंगा मैं इस वक्त, और मुंबई के पास पूना से फोन आ रहा है और विकी हैं, वो कुछ कहना चाहते हैं आपसे। विकी पूना से, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी ममता जी को?
Yeah, hi Arnab.
Hello.
First of all, I would like to congratulate you and Times Now that you are showing these stories as the prime time story at 9 p.m. which is the ground reality in India. And that's really very important that we are actually showing the ground reality that this is the state of affairs. And when we are talking India shining and everything, when these pictures and your channel is being watched globally actually. And those people who have the India shining and group story actually see that सड़क पे जब एक लड़की सेफ नहीं है और खुलेआम on in broad daylight, people have the courage to beat people up, and then police and the system is failing actually. The taxes that we are paying every month, that's going down the drain actually in this country. And I would like to congratulate Mamta that she had the courage to beat those goons. And that's about it actually. It's a very sad state of affairs, and actually these are the stories that should come at 9 p.m. in this country if we have to make a change at the ground reality. And
I agree with you, Vicky. I agree with you, Vicky. I agree with you. The reality in our country comes out when events like this come out. ममता जी, आपको तो समझ में आ रहा ही होगा कि सारे देश से लोग आपको फोन कर रहे हैं। मैं अपनी ओर से आपको ये कहना चाहता हूं कि बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपने जो किया, हमारे प्रोग्राम में आए, सारे जितना हौसला आपने दिया है ना ये करके, और आपने हिम्मत नहीं हारी, लोग आपके साथ नहीं थे, पुलिस देखते हुए भी कुछ नहीं कर रही थी। कल तक ये सरकार के लोग भी आप पे उंगली उठा रहे थे, मगर आज किसी की हिम्मत नहीं होगी ममता जी ऐसे करने की।
जी
तो बहुत ही आपने मतलब यू मेक अस प्राउड ममता यादव, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग। थैंक यू।
You're watching the first news hour debate on Times Now Super Prime Time.
Gaurav Bhatia of the Samajwadi Party, Khushbu is an actor and activist, and Siddharth Nath Singh of the BJP. Gaurav, till last evening, your Samajwadi Party people were pointing fingers at Mamta Yadav. I mean, how could you get it so wrong, and how could you be so insensitive? They should have been complimenting Mamta Yadav. They were busy defending themselves and putting the question mark on her. Why did she not go to the police? Why did she not file an FIR? Where is she? Has she gone missing? You don't know the reality of it. You're portraying one side of the story. Why did they talk like that, Gaurav?
Arnab, let me begin by saying, let me say this first, that whatever this young courageous girl has done deserves accolades, and it deserves a reward. I think what she has done should be done by all girls when they are pushed against the wall, and the sorry part is that the bystanders there did not come to rescue the girl. Nobody ever meant any ill will towards the girl. We did not say anything wrong about the girl.
Of course you did.
That is something that you are saying.
Of course you did. Of course you did. No, one second. No, Gaurav, no, one minute. Wait, I will have to interrupt you now, and you will have to listen to me.
Point, I'll respond.
No. First of all, don't say we didn't mean any ill will, because I was very irritated last night. Your party leader, Madhukar Jaitley, came on the program, and you know what he said?
I just want to request you have
your leader said yesterday, Gaurav, allow me to
but I am only saying...
Allow me to make that limited point to you.
Can I make my request and then you make your point?
I will just intervene for 15 seconds at this stage to correct you. I will correct you, and I will tell you, on the screen right now there is yesterday and today. Yesterday our party leader comes and says, can you tell why the girl didn't go to the police station to file an FIR? Today you send the policeman to give a 1 lakh reward for the Braveheart, because today you want to cover it up. Now, point number two, yesterday, no, allow me to complete please. Yesterday they said the girl is not at home, the girl is not living in an address. In fact, your party leaders came on the news and they said, this is the case of traffic violation. Yesterday they said the police did everything they could. They didn't do anything. Till yesterday, they didn't admit it.
I respond to that?
No, 1 second. Action at a time of crisis reflects a person's character. Character, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia.
Now can I?
Inaction at a
Can I
time of
respond?
crisis also reveals
Now
a
listen
person's
to me.
character.
Arnab,
In this
don't
case,
be
you did the
in
latter.
love with your voice. You've asked me.
No,
a
I'm
question,
not
I've
in love
noted
with
your
my
question,
voice, but I
I've
will
replied
not
to
let
it
something
directly.
wrong go on this channel. I will have to correct you there.
Allow me to speak. Yeah, allow me to speak. The part that she retaliated, she was courageous enough to teach a lesson to these boys, is definitely a great deed, and it deserves all the appreciation. But at the same time, Arnab, please also take note of the law. The law says
Law.
that if a
Now we'll get a lesson in the law.
committed. If you don't want me to complete, I'll be quiet.
No, but now
I
you
think
can
your
hide behind the law.
Is something that has. No, I'm not hiding. I am telling you the law, and let me make my point. Let the viewers decide whether I'm making a pertinent point or not.
Quickly,
Or
please.
Will we live in denial? Yes. The Indian Penal Code says that if there is a cognizable offence, okay, then that needs to be reported to the police immediately. She did a great act of courage, but at the same time, it should have been reported by her. That
She has
please
no
don't
faith in
condone
your
that,
government.
because it would encourage
She has
others.
said she has no faith in
She
your
never said
government.
that. I was hearing the interview. I was hearing her interview. She never said that.
You
In
know,
fact, what
Gaurav,
she said was
Gaurav,
that she
just
was
sometimes in
disturbed
life you should
that
just
the
say sorry.
bystanders did not come. Sorry, if my sorry will make anybody feel a little better, I can say sorry 10 times, Arnab. But let me say
No,
this
it
to
won't
you,
make
that
people feel
don't
better,
try
but
to,
not saying sorry will make them feel worse.
Target the UP government.
Yeah, we will
No,
target the
but
UP government.
Don't try to target the UP government.
Yes, because they are hypocritical.
I think today's issue should be what should. Please don't interrupt now, Arnab. You asked me a question, I'm responding to that. I'm only saying that today's issue mainly is what should be the reaction of the public who was there, who was seeing this ghastly act being done by a few boys, and they did not react to it.
You know, I'll tell
the
you.
government, let me tell you.
I'll tell you.
It was the home.
No. What you? No, 1 second,
complaint.
please.
Let
No,
me,
1 minute,
let
please.
me
Now
make a
you
few
made your
points.
point.
No, Arnab,
No, now you've made your point.
This is not done. I have not made my point.
I've not even
answered
gone to
your
the
question.
others.
I want to bring certain facts to your knowledge. So it's okay, but I think the debate is centered around the incident that has happened in UP. You can allow me to speak for some time. Few important facts of what the government has done promptly. I want to point out.
Oh,
First
Mr.
of all,
Bhatia,
this
let me come in, please. I'll tell you a few facts.
If you don't allow me, let me tell you
Arnab.
first. This person, the person who was using strength, has been arrested now. Okay, the girl has been
Arrested
provided
now.
security cover. 2 security guards have been. No, it was yesterday. Prompt arrest was.
Oh,
made
really? Don't
after
make
the
up
complaint
facts.
was
Don't
made.
lie.
So you are not aware. I'm not lying, Arnab. I take strong objection to this kind of insinuations. I never lie. I have done my homework. I've taken instructions, and that is the way I'm telling
So
you.
let hear the counter from me then. Hear the counter. Then hear the counter. Why are you getting
Arnab,
roped up?
Yes,
hear the counter.
But allow me to also
No, hear the
speak.
counter. You're not even letting me come in once. But 1 second. First of all, Gaurav, I heard you
No,
patiently.
you
You
come in.
have spoken for 7 minutes. 7 minutes, and you have taken a lot of time. Now
I have not
I need to
spoken
make a
for
few
7
quick
minutes.
interventions. So far, Gaurav Bhatia of the Samajwadi Party repeats what Madhukar Jaitley of the Samajwadi Party said yesterday. Police did everything they could. I have 4 questions. My first question, doing everything they could. Is doing everything they could mean filing an FIR on a Thursday for an incident which happened in full public view on a Tuesday? Is doing everything they could, 2, mean not arresting a single person till date after 1 minute, till after all the footage of the incident is on tape and shown on the media? C, allow me to
has been
complete now.
arrested. Get
Now
your
allow me
facts
to
right.
complete. Now allow me to complete, Mr.
Yes,
Bhatia.
okay,
Allow
then
me to
allow me
complete,
to
Mr.
respond
Bhatia.
also.
Doing everything they could, does it mean that a police personnel, as the victim says, stood and watched a woman get manhandled by the hoodlums and do nothing, everything there? Is doing everything they could means that the SHO only goes this evening to record a statement of the victim? I mean, is this your idea of justice? If it is,
Okay.
If it is, then
now-
1 second. If
now
it
can I
is,
respond,
if
please?
it is,
Yes.
1 second, then you live in Alice in Wonderland. Siddharth wants to counter you. I think he has a right to. Siddharth, go ahead. Go ahead, please. And we'll take a few
I
more
think
calls
if
on
you
this
made
one as
a
well. Siddharth.
Arnab,
would not allow
Counter.
me to even counter what you've said.
No, I will
Gaurav, allow
allow
us
you.
to speak.
I will allow you later.
Allow others to be heard also.
Go ahead, Siddharth.
Well, let me put Arnab, I don't have words to compliment or praise the courage of that lady, and certainly she has spoken for many millions and millions of women who have faced this kind of incidents. But at the same time, I didn't want to get into the bashing of the UP government and the police and all, but unfortunately the way the Gaurav, who should have kept his head down and addressed these issues that it will not happen again in UP, needs to answer. Forget about the public. That shows our insensitivity as a society. We need to respond. We need to educate ourselves what moral policing as a public we should be doing in such incidents. All those things are valid. But now the issue, since you, Gaurav, went ahead in defending your UP government, there is a very pertinent question. You may say he was an individual, but there in the photograph, there is a home guard or the police standing there.
There is. We'll show the picture
he doesn't do anything.
Yes, he's there.
He walks away.
Yes, he doesn't do anything.
Why the police is becoming important in UP?
Yes.
Why they are becoming important in UP?
Because their
What
idea
is
of
the
action
procedure
taken.
that
No, 1 minute. No, I'll tell you.
They don't want to take any action.
No, but watch. So Gaurav, before you respond, you hear everyone, including Khushbu, please. She hasn't even come in. They give you a full chance to respond. You know why? Because Gaurav Bhatia can come on television and say, we've done what we could, FIR lodged, action taken. Fact of the matter, what he doesn't say, and he can correct me if I'm wrong. FIR filed 3 days after the incident. No arrest 4 days after the incident. Sanction of 1 lakh rupees to the victim.
Not correct.
Sanction of 1 lakh rupees to the victim after media scrutiny, sir. Is this your idea of action taken? If it is, then I really am sorry for you. 1 second. Khushbu is coming in on this.
I will respond when
you
my
can
turn
respond
comes.
to everything, but you must respond, Gaurav Bhatia, with a sense of remorse. Remorse at what your government has allowed in this case. Khushbu first, and then you can respond to everyone as aggressively as you want to, but factually right. Khushbu.
Oh my, I've been listening to the entire thing, and I think I really do not know what to say when it comes to the political parties trying to defend their shortcomings. First and foremost, my heartiest congratulations for Meera for really coming forward, and Mamta for coming forward and really fighting for her rights. And it's definitely very insensitive part of the crowd to just be the spectator to what was happening in the middle of the road. They have been just looking at it, and there was a home guard, there was a police, and nobody wanted to come and help her. And this woman, Arnab, you said that all the men were चूड़ियाँ पहन के बैठनी चाहिए. आजकल चूड़ियाँ पहनी हुई औरतें अपने आप को डिफेंड कर सकती हैं, तो चूड़ियों की भी जरूरत नहीं है. उससे भी ज्यादा कुछ हो, क्योंकि आजकल चूड़ियाँ पहनने वाली औरतें सबसे ज्यादा आगे बढ़ रही हैं, and they are giving a complete different turn, and they have been telling these men that we don't need you to support us or to guard us. We are strong enough. हम में वो शक्ति है where we can definitely defend ourselves. And I think what Mamta has done, it's a tight slap across the government's face in UP, because she says, I don't need your home guard, I don't need your people who have been hiding behind the government, I don't need anybody to come and defend your government, I can defend myself, and I don't need your 1 lakh rupees which says that, oh, you're a brave heart. I am a brave heart, and I have proved myself.
And the worst part,
Gaurav Bhatia, please, there should be, no, Arnab, I think Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, please, as a woman, I'm not here as a politician or anything, but as a woman of this country, please, I think it's high time the government of UP does something for the people and the safety of these women in your state, because every day and every time I am here talking about the safety of women, unfortunately, it's about something which happens in UP. I think it's high time, rather than defending the party, I think you and your government should sit together and say that where are we going drastically wrong, and where can we do to stop or put a full stop to such atrocities which is happening in my state.
Absolutely. All over India, there are so many calls tonight. I am going to open up the lines once again. But Gaurav Bhatia, listen to it
can I
loud.
Respond, Arnab?
Yes, you can. But remember, Gaurav,
I want to respond first.
But remember, Gaurav, the problem is nobody has faith in your government. You have lost the faith of the people and the faith of the ordinary women.
Now
of your state.
Can you be quiet? Can you be quiet and I can speak?
She would have filed an FIR first.
And we'll open up the calls again in 3 minutes. 1 second. Yeah, go ahead.
She said she does not have faith.
Now can I respond, please? See, this manner of debating where you don't allow me to speak, I think is not done. So allow me to speak and make my point.
You've spoken more than the others.
The panelists, and I heard you also.
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, you spoke for 8 to 9 minutes. We have been silent spectators to what you spoke.
Khushbu ji, that is not correct, and I think the topic is centered around UP government. So I'll have to reply to that. If allegations are being heard, don't you think I should be allowed some time?
It's about the failures of your government, Mr. Bhatia.
That's how Arnab wants to portray to everybody.
No, don't blame me. I'm portraying the truth. No, you take back that allegation. I don't want to portray things in a certain way. No, you are not portraying. I'll portray the truth.
Let me tell you the truth.
I'll portray the truth. No, take that allegation back. Don't say that's how I want to take it back.
Siddharth, allow me to now complete my point.
No, don't accuse me of bias. Don't accuse me of prejudice.
Siddharth, allow me to complete. Arnab, this is not fair. If everybody would speak at the same time when I want to make points, I think it's not acceptable.
No, but it's not fair that you accuse me of prejudice on the program. It's not fair. And you should take that back.
Now listen to me.
Yeah.
Arnab, now listen to me. You were wrong on certain facts. I'm placing those facts, and then I think you will correct yourself. This incident happened on the 19th, and the Home Guard was the one who registered the FIR on the 20th itself, and the person was arrested on the 20th itself. Now the
no, what do you mean itself? Sorry, no, sorry, stop right there, stop right there. Incident happens. So look at this. Incident happens on 19th. The Home Guard is present on the spot 1A. B, I will show pictures right now which show the Home Guard is there. He's looking away, he walks around. I spoke. Gaurav, now listen to me.
The FIR was registered.
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, please listen here now. Listen here now. Incident happens on 19th. Was an FIR filed on 19th?
Don't evade my question.
Was an FIR filed on 19th? Yes or no?
You said that
was an FIR filed on 19th?
Please answer.
Was an FIR filed on 19th?
Was the arrest not made on 19th?
Was an FIR filed on 19th? Yes or no? Yes or no? Was an FIR filed on 19th?
According to...
Was an FIR filed on 19th?
So the arrest was made on the 20th.
Was an FIR filed on 19th?
The arrest was made on the 20th.
Was an FIR filed on 19th? Say no. And realize you are wrong.
What are you trying to ask me on that?
So the question there is, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, yeah, I'll explain to you if you have the patience. Incident happens on 19th. Home Guard on the spot, caught on camera, present and witnesses out there. Enough people are there. Investigation does not happen. FIR is not filed. Matter comes up in media on the 20th. It becomes a big deal by the 20th. FIR is filed after that. I spoke to the SSP of the area. His name is Om Prakash. Call him right now and tell me if I'm wrong. Come on, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, I know my facts better than you on this case.
So that's what I'm saying.
So don't make up facts out here.
No, you don't, Arnab.
Well, I just proved to you. I just proved you wrong.
Arrest, and I'm telling you the arrest was made on the 20th.
You have acted post facto, Mr. Bhatia.
I don't want to get into this. I don't want to get in this war of words.
What are you proving, Mr. Bhatia? What are you proving?
You said there has been a delayed
Nobody has faith in your government.
The arrest was never delayed.
Nobody has faith in your government.
The arrest was made on the 20th.
Oh, Mr.
Now, second point I want to make, Arnab.
One second. Khushbu wants to take you on Khushbu.
Because
Khushbu wants to say something to you.
Arnab, I think stop targeting the UP government.
Khushbu, why should I? Am I on the payrolls of the UP government that stop targeting the UP government if they do something wrong?
Because
how can you talk to me like that?
Badayu rape case, you made irresponsible statements.
One second, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, talk about Meerut.
The CBI report has come and it says certain things which is contrary to
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, I'm talking about Meerut. When I want to discuss Badayu, I will. I'm talking about Meerut. You have no courage to talk about Meerut.
Have you not been proven?
You have not. No, I have not been. You have not been. Are you? What are you? And by the way, do you lack the courage to talk about Meerut? Do you lack the courage to talk about Meerut?
Let me also tell you.
Does this incident embarrass you, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia? Does this embarrass you? Would you like something like this to happen to your loved ones? To your family members? Would you allow your family members to be treated like that? Would you allow your family members to be treated? Would you accept it if it were to happen to someone you knew? Would you accept it? Just because it happens to an ordinary woman who you're not related to, you don't care for, you have no empathy. Why don't you have empathy? Why don't you have empathy, Mr. Bhatia? Why don't you have empathy?
Samajwadi Party leaders be.
Why don't you have empathy, Mr. Bhatia?
To the need of
have some empathy with this woman.
Arnab, you don't judge for
Khushbu wants to say something to you, Khushbu.
I told you, Arnab.
Khushbu wants to say something to you. I'll run the pictures. The pictures speak for themselves. Khushbu is saying something. Go ahead, Khushbu.
This is not an issue where you need to target the
Khushbu.
Gaurav ji, I have a very simple question. You said the guy who was present, the home guard who was present, he is the one who filed the FIR. Yes?
Yeah, go ahead.
No, I want to know, you said
Yes,
that the home guard who was present when this incident happened
I did, sir.
did file the FIR.
Yeah.
Yes.
Did he?
Yeah.
All right. What
Yes, he did.
was the duty of the government? Allow him to file the FIR or take an action against him for being a mute spectator when this was happening right in front of his eyes?
Absolutely. He kept watching.
You take,
He kept watching.
you allow him to file
what is your government?
an FIR, but you do not take an action against him.
There is no
He
Mr.
was a mute
Bhatia.
spectator.
No, Mr.
Home guard is
Bhatia.
supposed to,
Let me tell
he's
you
supposed to guard the people.
Can I
He's
respond?
supposed
What
to
is this
support the
Mr.
people.
Bhatia?
He's supposed to
Bhujbuji
protect the
asked me a
people.
question. I want to respond to that.
Mr. Bhatia.
Ji,
Bhujbuji,
please.
I think you are absolutely right, and I'm not here to defend the wrongdoings of that home guard who did not come to the
now
rescue
at
of
least
the
so
girl.
who does the
I'm
home
not
guard
here
come
to
under?
defend.
What
But
action
I am
has been
saying-
taken
What
against
action
him?
have you taken against that home guard?
I just want to know what action has been taken against him.
Now listen.
Nothing, Khushbu, nothing.
Bhujbuji,
No action.
Bhujbuji, action would also be taken, but at the same time,
will
when
be
you are
taken.
casting aspersions on the state government.
Oh, so you can't
because
cast aspersions,
the
you can't
accused has
ask
been
questions.
arrested promptly.
Sorry, we
Arnab,
didn't-
this is not a meaningful debate when you keep on interrupting. If you keep on
Arnab,
interrupting,
can I
I don't
come
think
in?
we can have a healthy
I
debate.
disagree
If
with you,
don't
Mr.
need me
I disagree
to
with
tell
you,
me and
Mr.
I'll not
Bhatia.
be.
I
Sir,
disagree with you.
Why can't you be patient enough? Why can't you be patient enough to wait for your
Does
turn?
patience
Why can't you do
patience mean letting you say whatever you want to, which is
No,
factually
At
incorrect?
least you can. No, you can disagree with me, but at the same time, allow me.
Allow
make
you
my
to
point.
mislead the audience.
You've been interrupting me. I will never mislead the audience. I have some duty
Every
towards
minute
them.
you are misleading the
You are
audience.
misleading the audience, and I am placing. Now let me make a few points. If you permit me to, I only need a minute and no more. After that, you can have a full.
But
discussion
Siddharth
with
wants to
other
say
panelists.
something to you. Will you listen to him? Will you listen to Siddharth, a counter view, or are you completely
Okay,
sure only
go.
in your view? Because he's
I
been
will.
raising his hand for a long time, and I don't. No, one second. I really think, I really have begun thinking now, Mr. Gaurav
will
Bhatia,
wait
that
for my
you
turn.
don't realize
Let
how
Siddharth
serious
speak
that
first.
allegation is. There is an allegation, there is a police personnel on the spot. He does nothing, keeps watching, no FIR, no action. Woman is fighting herself. She's getting assaulted. What is your government to control law and order in the state doing about that? Nothing. Will action be taken? Nothing. Was any action taken before it came out in the media? Nothing. In fact, your party colleague came on. Your party colleague came on the newshour and blamed the girl. They blamed the girl, saying she didn't file the complaint.
You want to continuously rattle your facts and not
What
hear
facts?
me. It's okay.
What facts?
I'll debate
Your
it in
party
that manner.
colleague came on the newshour yesterday and blamed the girl.
Let me.
This is the absolute
let
truth,
me-
Mr.
let me
Bhatia.
say this.
This is the truth, the ugly truth.
I explained it to
This
you.
is the ugly truth.
Arnab, I explained it to you that
You blame a
nobody can
victim.
be ignorant of law, the Criminal Procedure Code.
Criminal
Listen to me
Procedure
now.
Code.
The Criminal Procedure Code says so that every person who sees a cognizable
Oh, Mr.
offence being
Bhatia, don't
committed
teach
has
me
to
the
report it to
law.
the police. This is an offence.
Oh God,
What
Mr.
law?
Bhatia.
Every person has to be law
I just
abiding.
don't
So
understand.
that
Doesn't want to report.
nobody is taking away from
How
the
do you
courageous
justify
act
that?
of the
I
girl.
want
Nobody
to
is
say
taking
one thing
away
to you, Gaurav.
from the
Before I go to
courageous act of the girl. But
Siddharth.
at the same time,
No.
Are you encouraging that people
Why-
should not
why
report
don't
crime?
you-
Are you encouraging that?
Mr. Bhatia.
No.
What is wrong
Or
with this?
Siddharth.
I
If
think
that
what
person-
we are saying, Gaurav,
Siddharth,
is the
Siddharth not
question
saying-
why the Home
Siddharth
Guard
not
doesn't
saying-
report. That is the key thing. Why didn't the Home Guard report? Why didn't the Home
Siddharth.
Guard go and file an FIR? That's the pertinent question. Why look at the public? Secondly,
Siddharth ji,
Gaurav,
I think-
stop blaming
I
media.
think-
Nobody
Yeah,
is
stop. Yeah,
targeting
one second,
you.
Gaurav, now you let Siddharth
Your
speak.
incidents, your governance which gets targeted because you are not doing anything. The law and order is a mess. You are to be blamed, not the media or the opposition party. You allow
Now,
us to raise question on your law and order.
And I'll tell you why. I'll tell you
Now,
why.
can
So,
I
Gaurav,
respond?
one fact, please let me come in. And after that, you can say whatever you
Yes,
want. In fact,
absolutely.
tonight I can say this, that it appears to me,
Okay.
Mr. Bhatia, that you don't like my questioning because it questions you. But I'll tell you the reality about simple story about Uttar Pradesh today. Simple story about Uttar Pradesh. In Uttar Pradesh today, a woman is treated like cattle. She is left to fight off goons and the police is there but does nothing. But cattle are treated like royalty as long as the cattle belong to Azam Khan. Samajwadi Party leader Azam Khan lost 5 of his buffaloes. Immediately there was action taken against police officers at that point of time because they did not take enough care of Azam Khan's buffaloes. The police is there to take care of your leader's buffaloes, and the police will not act against a woman left defenseless in the middle of the street. For you, a politician's buffaloes are more important than a helpless woman on the streets. Mr. Bhatia, that is the crude reality of Uttar Pradesh today.
Under
crude
1 minute
reality.
and no more.
Reality check
1
for you.
1 minute and no more. Yes.
Reality check for you. Thank you.
Can I speak now under 1?
Yeah, you have nothing to say. I've told you. Did I make up the story?
1 minute and no more. No. Arnab, 1 minute and no more, and
Let's
please
play the
don't
pictures.
interrupt me. What disturbs me is that Times Now has never covered the 4,335 rapes that happen in Madhya Pradesh.
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, you have come with some prepared statistics. You have got some homework with you. Show that piece of paper. Show that piece of paper, your homework you carry with you.
A senior person.
Did you suspend police officers for not taking care of Azam Khan's buffalo?
Did you cover?
I covered Azam Khan's buffalo.
Rape is not statistics.
Do you know? See, you interrupted me again.
Don't trivialize and bring it to statistics.
You interrupted me again.
Rape is not statistics.
Siddharji, you don't need to tell me. The point that I'm making is that crime all over the country
don't get onto that.
With the same standards.
Come on.
That is the point I'm making. And
because I'll tell you,
outside UP also,
like the lady, the Braveheart was reluctant to go and file her FIR. In Meerut, there are many places where the people are scared to file an FIR in Uttar Pradesh.
Have the patience to hear me. I think I've rubbed you the wrong way that you are interrupting me.
No, we have been hearing you.
If you are
no, you have not rubbed me. I'm trying to correct you, Gaurav.
Don't speak in between.
You look to be a decent fellow. Therefore, I'm trying to correct you.
So can I not make my point? You can correct me after I've made my point. I am only questioning why is Times Now not having debates of rapes happening in Madhya Pradesh or Rajasthan. People outside UP.
No, Gaurav Bhatia. No, one sec, Gaurav Bhatia. Gaurav, I'll tell you another story. Gaurav, I'll tell you another story.
Remote.
Khushbu
is of accepting the
I completely object to this, Gauravji.
Khushbu.
Why is the news channel not
let
reporting?
Khushbu take you on.
Why is the news channel not reporting?
1 second, Khushbu, first let him stop. Khushbu, first let him stop. First let him stop. Yeah, okay, Khushbu is asking you something. Gaurav, 1 second.
I have to know. What is this? What are we looking at the statistics? Why Times Now or why any news channel on the national is not reporting as to how many rapes have taken place in Madhya Pradesh, how many rapes have taken place in Andhra, or how many rapes have taken place in A to Z other states of India? I would like to know, what have you done about the atrocities against women in your state? Do not talk about what is happening, how many you will not. You should not be talking about how many rapes have taken place in the other states.
Whatever I said, have you heard that? I said scrutinize us, but also
I scrutinize you.
Watch the channel.
I scrutinize you and I ask you only one question. 1 minute. Gaurav Bhatia. Gaurav Bhatia, एक बात सुन लीजिए.
I ask you only one question.
मैं सारे जितने उत्तर प्रदेश में लोग देख रहे हैं 1 minute.
Home guard present at the incident.
जितने लोग एक मिनट
खुशबू against him. And you just I asked a very simple question. What action has been taken against the home guard? And you just move away. That is something the central has to do. Why?
I didn't move away.
Isn't state government an independent government?
The administration has
doesn't the police come under the department of the state government?
But listen, Khushbu ji, that is what I'm saying. The administration has taken note of it.
Okay, so 1 minute. So I have one question for you.
So please
take a note of it. I'll take. No, 1 minute.
Ask the question.
Okay, Gaurav, now.
Come on, Gaurav.
Now, 1 second, please.
You've just taken a note of it. A home guard is present, and all you do is he is present to such a gruesome incident, and he's done nothing about it. And you said you have taken a note of it.
If a person is promptly...
Fine, I'm asking you what action was taken against the home guard.
It is not action.
Okay, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia.
Why can't
Mr. Bhatia, listen to me, please.
If a person is arrested,
listen to me, please, Mr. Bhatia. I have some information I want to share with you. Please listen.
Yeah, please tell me, Arnab, I am waiting.
As per my information, the Uttar Pradesh police provided when the buffaloes of Azam Khan entered UP from Punjab.
You didn't answer my question.
1 minute now. Listen to me, Mr. Bhatia, even if it embarrasses you. Even if it embarrasses you, I will talk about it.
Women, crime against women. Have you covered on Times Now from
Mr. Bhatia, I don't need lectures from you on how to cover crimes against women. Please, that's the biggest irony, please. Now, I am showing some pictures on the screen. Gaurav Bhatia is not letting me speak, so I'll just say one thing here. Viewers, what you are seeing today, what you are seeing on television, you may be thinking, what are these pictures? Now, listen to me, Mr. Bhatia, even if it embarrasses you. Even if it embarrasses you, I will talk about it.
Women, crime against women. Have you covered on Times Now from
Mr. Bhatia, I don't need lectures from you on how to cover crimes against women. Please, that's the biggest irony, please. Now, I am showing some pictures on the screen. Gaurav Bhatia is not letting me speak, so I'll just say one thing here. Viewers, what you are seeing today, what you are seeing on television, you may be thinking, what are these pictures? Gaurav Bhatia, if you listen, you will hear something, you'll learn something. This is a patrol van, and these are policemen who have been deployed to hunt. These are policemen who have been deployed to hunt.
From Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, have you covered on Times
This
Now?
is not your Uttar Pradesh Assembly, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia. Please let me speak.
This is Times Now. I am doing what you do to me. You don't allow me to speak, and I'm asking you one question. You just answer that one question and nothing more. One question, that's it. If you have the courage, you answer this one question.
Mr. Bhatia.
You have all the statistics with you. Tell us how many incidents of rape or crime against women from Madhya Pradesh or Rajasthan have you covered on Times Now?
Mr. Bhatia, no, I'll just tell you. You know, I don't like... I'll have to silence you now. I don't want to, but I will. But I will. One second. Gaurav Bhatia, I think it is time for me to silence you. I think the time has come for me to silence you. Can I just say something to you?
You start hiding your faults and
Mr. Bhatia,
it shows you're failing.
That is how you should have
I think Mr. Gaurav Bhatia has today lost his shirt on the Newshour tonight. I think Mr. Gaurav Bhatia has lost his cool on the Newshour tonight. I think Mr. Gaurav Bhatia has exposed himself by revealing his lack of patience on the Newshour tonight. Had Mr. Gaurav Bhatia had the patience to listen, I would have just silenced him with one fact. But he does not want to listen to this one fact because he's afraid of hearing what I'm going to tell him. Gaurav Bhatia, you are scared of listening to me.
The allegation that I have made.
But you know, you have to stop. You have to stop.
You deny that.
You stop, then I'll tell you. Stop and I'll tell you. And you know what? You can listen only when you keep quiet.
Yes.
Okay? Which state? 1 second. 1 second.
For you.
1 second. Now keep quiet, Mr. Bhatia.
When you keep quiet. Yes.
Mr. Bhatia.
I will, but you
Mr. Bhatia, you will be happy to know that not only do we question all incidents of violence against women in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, but when that case of violence included, and please listen to me, when that case of violence against women included allegations against the sitting minister of the Narendra Modi government, Mr. Nihal Chand, not only did we follow the story, we followed it so far that Mr. Nihal Chand, a sitting central minister, filed a legal case against Times Now, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, and I don't need your permission or your advice or your two-bit advice to tell me about what kind of journalism I need to do. You are the one who ought to be ashamed of what you've done, Mr. Bhatia, today. Because there is no remorse in your voice. There is no sadness in your voice. There is no sense of shame you have today, Mr. Bhatia.
I am not discussing.
There is no sense of shame you reveal tonight, Mr. Bhatia. And you don't realize that in the newsroom behind me, Mr. Bhatia, from city after city and town after town all across India, people are calling and they are fed up with politicians like you. Pawan is calling in from Jammu, and I think you need to listen to at least a viewer, if not me. Pawan from Jammu, go ahead, please. I don't think Mr. Gaurav Bhatia wants to listen to anyone, but have your say. Pawan from Jammu.
Arnav.
Yeah, go ahead, Pawan.
And good evening to the panelists.
Good evening, please. Go ahead, Pawan.
Yeah. First, I want to compliment Mamta for her bravery.
Absolutely.
I want to make my point in the Mamta's case. I heard a lot of people on TV channels and panelists try to penalize the spectators. But I have the other point. Just look on the law and order scenario of the country. Nobody will like to indulge in these incidents. Just ask the people in your panel. Is there any common person who will come forward to save another Mamta? I think in today's law and order scenario, the answer of the common person will be a big no.
That's the point.
Sad dismal picture painted by our successive governments.
So Pawanji, you know,
like Akhilesh Yadav's government.
Yeah. So Pawanji, you hit the nail on the head. We've been trying to make that point to Gaurav Bhatia, but he doesn't listen. But at least I hope that when it comes from a viewer like you and you are in Jammu, you should at least listen, please. I'll take one more caller, Gaurav, with your permission. Just listen to people. Sometimes it's not my voice. These calls are not censored. The calls come straight to our newsroom and they are put on air. Prasad is calling from Mysore. Zara sun lijiye, Gaurav Bhatia ji. Aapka kuch nahi jayega. 2 minutes sun lijiye, please. 2 minutes sun lijiye, tasalli se. Prasad wants to say something from Mysore.
ऐसा क्यों है अर्नब जी कि केवल आपको सुनना पड़ता है और जब हम आपसे प्रश्न करते हैं तो आप उत्तर नहीं देते?
आपको उत्तर दिया मगर आप उत्तर नहीं सुन सकेंगे क्योंकि आप उत्तर नहीं सुन सकेंगे क्योंकि जब उत्तर कोई देता है आपको तब भी आप बोल रहे होते हैं. मैसूर से from Mysore I have Prasad from Mysore is calling and please listen to him, Gaurav. Come on, Gaurav. Prasad ji, good evening, please. Good evening, Prasad ji. Mr. Prasad, are you there?
Sir. Yeah, I'm here.
Go ahead, please.
Yeah. Arnab, good evening to you.
Good evening, Mr. Prasad.
Yeah. Now, I just want to convey this point. Repetitive things happening like this, especially, repetitive things happening like this, especially in UP, it simply cannot be without the blessings of the politicians and the policemen in the state. It is quite apparent. And believe me, unless stringent action is taken on such goons, it is impossible for any woman to roam around the streets not only in UP but also in the country.
I take your view. And I think you also convey what is in the hearts of many of our viewers. I asked all of you right at the start of News Hour tonight, if you feel that Mamta has in a way spoken for you, then it's time to speak up. And you can do that. We are wrapping up this part of the debate with a request, Khushbu, on all our behalf to Gaurav Bhatia so he can go and tell Akhilesh, stop suffering from a persecution complex. You're not being persecuted by the media.
Arnab,
the people of your state are being persecuted by your inaction.
We will do every bit to ensure that women are respected.
People are being persecuted. You wouldn't. This would be unacceptable.
Please, don't make such statements against the Chief Minister or any other politician.
Why is so touchy about the Chief Minister?
And have a meaningful debate.
I reflect, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, Mr. Bhatia, please listen to me. I am reflecting, I am not on, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, I care little. I care little. Mr. Bhatia,
I will never do that.
Mr. Bhatia, I care little. I care little for how politicians think of me. I don't seek the compliments of politicians or the approval of politicians. But I am only speaking on behalf of the people out here, and people are fed up.
It's about making
I feel fed up, Mr. Bhatia, when I see a young woman having to fight for herself when the system, we pay taxes, so we get some sense of reassurance. All that security, all those expensive cars of the UP government, all those luxury cars that Akhilesh buys himself and all the security he carries, you ought to share it with the people of your state, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia. I'm giving Khushbu and all
to prove
that there are states that they are worse off.
Gaurav, you will have to hear from Khushbu. I'm giving her the last one. Yeah.
I am
Gaurav ji, Gaurav ji, it's a very personal request. The people of Uttar Pradesh have chosen Mr. Akhilesh Yadav to lead their state with a lot of hope and expectations. And I'm very, very disappointed to see that he has been failing over and over again. Please gain back the complete व्हाट यू से, उनकी जो एक उम्मीद लगाए बैठे हैं आपकी गवर्नमेंट से, वो उम्मीद टूट चुकी है। प्लीज उसे वो जो एक हिम्मत है वो उसको वापस जीतने की कोशिश कीजिए।
जी no, I'm wrapping that up. I don't think there's a point of debate. I think she's only making a point to you. I thank you for joining me, ladies and gentlemen.
And one more thing I would like to say is, the minute you start looking into the other states, कि ये स्टेट का रिपोर्ट किया था, वो स्टेट का रिपोर्ट किया था, it means
that is a valid question.
The minute
you will agree with me that
Gaurav Bhatia, look within, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia. Short-sightedness is back. I thank you for joining me. Though you did not listen much to me, I hope you at least listen to the viewers. Thank you for joining me on debate number 1 on the News Hour tonight. Thank you.